everybody, and welcome to Henry's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making a Fluffernutter. Fluffernutter, also known as a peanut butter and marshmallow sandwich, or sometimes known as a peanut butter and marshmallow fluff sandwich, or peanut butter and marshmallow fluff sandwich. The ingredients can vary in terms of what type of bread that you use or which toppings. But generally speaking, this is basically a peanut butter and marshmallow fluff sandwich. During World War I, there is record of a publication that published a recipe for the Fluffernutter, and it eventually became the official state sandwich of the state of Massachusetts. We're going to start by cracking one egg into a cup. Some of that got outside the cup there, but that's okay. And I'm going to add just a little bit of liquid fluid, just enough to fill up the rest of the cup, like so. Pour that into a mixing bowl, and let's stir it up. You know, in addition to the Fluffernutter, Massachusetts is also known for the violent execution of 20 people who were accused of practicing witchcraft. And it wasn't until 1957 that the state finally officially apologized for the atrocity, meaning the witch trials, not the Fluffernutter. Add 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 cup sugar. Now let's just put this in the refrigerator for a little bit while we get to work on our peanut butter. We start with 1 cup of salted peanuts. I don't have salted peanuts, but I have cashews, which is just about the same thing. And we're going to put those into a blender. And we're literally just going to try to get it right through maybe a little stroked pampika to try to get it to liquid. Pour this into a bowl. Just going to add a couple of caps full of olive oil to get it more moist and stir it up. And here's our peanut butter. Okay, so what I've done here is I've built sort of a makeshift sort of assembly line here, if you will, whereby I'm just going to add some of our marshmallow flarf onto one of the pieces of bread, like so. And then I'm just going to add our peanut butter onto the other one. And now we're just going to add our toppings. I've got some raisins here, and some salted peanuts, and top it off with the rest of the puffed mellow flarsh. And now it's time for the really difficult part. Okay, I need you to watch very closely here. You really only have one chance at getting this right, but what you're going to do is you're going to take both halves of your Fluffernutter and hold them like so, and I'm going to press them together to make one sandwich, but I have to do it quickly and I have to do it accurately, otherwise we're going to make a big mess. But anyway, here we go. So see? That was a pretty good one. Okay, now we're ready to put this sucker on the burner. Okay, so I've got some melted butter on a frying pan here. We're just going to put this on there for about 5 minutes over medium heat, and then we're going to flip it over.
There's something broken inside of me, something no one else can see. Something hurts and it's way down deep. I think there's something wrong with me.
Alright, so let's just flip this over here. I might have Actually had the heat on a little too high because it's looking a little burned, which is okay. I'm just going to turn that heat down here. I guess it's a little bit like toasted marshmallows. Okay, I think this is ready. So in terms of plating this, I've seen some variations. Some people like to put it with a little bowl of honey or maybe some chocolate that you can dip it into. Personally, I just like to eat it au natural. Try to get all the bread off there. And there we have the Fluffernutter, the official sandwich of the state of Massachusetts. Peanuts. Well, thanks for joining me here on Henry's Kitchen, everybody. And I want to say a very special thank you to the patrons at Patreon/Henry's Kitchen for continuing to support these videos and making them possible for all these years. Thanks, everyone, and I hope you're having a great May.
All the kids in the neighborhood tell me I don't look so good, how I would change it all if I could.